Have you ever found a bone or skull and not known what species it belonged to? Well, here are some steps to help you identify. For skulls, the first thing you should do is look at the teeth. Carnivores have very sharp canines and teeth made for tearing meat, while herbivores have no canine teeth and flat molars for chewing plants. Omnivores can be hard to differ from carnivores, but they tend to have a mix of flat molars and sharp canines to work for both diets. Another factor to consider is eye placement. If the eye sockets are facing forwards, that means it's a predator, while if the eyes are facing sideways, that means it's prey. Remembering this rhyme might help. Eyes on side likes to hide. Eyes in front likes to hunt. After you've categorized, you can narrow down the specific species by simply knowing what animals are common in your area. You should be able to narrow down the species using logic. Using the tips I just gave, I can tell that this damaged skull is a deer because of the flat molars and sideways facing eyes. Make sure you don't confuse canine teeth with rodent incisors. This skull may seem like a carnivore because of the long front teeth, but it has flat molars. This is actually a groundhog. It can be tricky to identify bones without the skull, but knowing what animals are common in your area can help you with classification. For example, many of the bones that I find are most likely deer, because they're very common where I live. Size is also obviously a big factor. If you find a lot of smaller bones, they will probably be from smaller animals like rodents and birds. I hope these tips help you become quicker at identifying bones and skulls. Check out our channel for more bone content.